In the last video, we mentioned that the two alkane homologous series may have the same general formula, but they can come from different homologous series, even though they are all alkanes. Now, what do I mean by that? I'm going to show you an example of what I've just explained in the last video. Now, let's take a look at these alkanes, okay? We have a branch chain alkane homologous series, and then we have a straight chain or N-alkane homologous series. Now, if you take a closer look at these homologous series and this straight chain homologous series, they are very different. Now, what is it different? Look at the second carbon of the parent chain, okay? Parent chain refers to the longest chain. Okay, let's look at this first homologous series of alkanes. 1, 2, 3. So the second carbon of the parent chain, you see the second carbon, there is a methyl group that is sticking out. Okay, there's a methyl group sticking out. So on every second carbon atom, there's this methyl group sticking out. Okay, so it is an alkane. Definitely, this is an alkane homologous series. But these homologous series is different from these straight chain alkane homologous series by this feature that it has a methyl group CH3 sticking out from the second carbon atom. Whereas for these molecules, you do not have any, you see the second carbon, you do not have any methyl group sticking out, correct? But this homologous series is clearly different from this homologous series of alkanes, right? They're clearly different, right? You can see that this C4H10 and this C4H10, these two molecules are not the same. Structurally, they are not the same. Their names given to this is butane, by the way. This is not butane. This is 2-methylpropane. Okay, this is 2-methylpropane. From the name, you can tell that these two are different molecules, right? And this will be 2-methylbutane, whereas this will be pentane. So these homologous series of alkanes are different from these homologous series. And even though this homologous series have the same general formula as these homologous series, but they're still different homologous series, despite the fact that they are still alkanes, right? But these two alkanes homologous series are different. Okay, that's what I'm going to share with you. A simple example like that to tell you, that it's not just due to the general formula. You got to look at the structures of these molecules and see if they are from the same homologous series.